Hi there! Thank you very much for tuning in again to my channel. This is the DutchRC channel bringing you another unboxing. And today I will be unboxing some MultiStar Elite multicopter motors. Now in the background here you see my Predator 650 quadcopter, and until now it had prop drive 28, 30, 800 kV motors, and I'm running those with 12 by 6 props, normal GWS airplane style props, as you can probably see. Now these motors, their bearings aren't very good. In two of them I had sloppy bearings. Vibration, of course, therefore, and I really couldn't use a camera on my quadcopter with these motors. So, therefore I have ordered up some MultiStar Elite motors. Now these are 740 kV. Once again, the motors I had were 800, and the new ones, the MultiStar Elites I've ordered, are 740, so that's about what, 8% less kV. So I'm hoping that the better efficiency of these motors will make up for that loss of kV. And okay, let me put those motors side by side if I can. This is more a pancake style motor, as you can see. This one is well, completely different. And well, actually let me zoom in a little on that new motor. Just a sec. There. Now the big thing about this motor is that it's supposed to be of very high quality, and the windings do look very nice. How does it feel? Yeah, I can't feel any slop in the bearings as it is now. I'll mount it on my frame so I can get a better grip on the motor. And apart from that, you get a bag of supplies with the motor. In the past, by the way, the MultiStar motors were shipped in metal cans. Not anymore though. So what comes in the box? A normal style prop adapter and a prop adapter that doesn't require a separate prop adapter. You just screw these on to the props themselves. Comes with screws, and that's it. That's the motor. Now, of course, this motor is a much bigger diameter, and I'm not sure if you can see that, but I have some cooling ridges on my motor mount here, and that will prevent me from mounting these motors. So I think I'll make a wooden plate as a spacer on this. That'll also prevent lessen the vibration the motor will transfer onto my frame. So, well, that's it. I've got some spacer making to do, and after I've done that, I'll be able to do some test flights with it. I'm very much looking forward to that. But that'll be coming up in the coming weeks, I think. Thank you for watching for now and see you back in another video. Bye bye.